Thank you so much for joining me. I'm Eric Tolman with you this evening. Just want to give you a quick update of what is going on and what the setup is in the Midwest. As you can see, we have winter weather advisories. We've got one in Casper, winter weather advisory for Casper until 8 a.m. on Sunday. And then we have a winter storm watch in the sections that you can see here. So winter weather advisory for Casper until 8 a.m. on Sunday, and then winter storm watch as well. I'll have to zoom in here so you can see it's right above where that high wind warning is at. That high wind warning is in effect. That's in yellow. That is until 2 o'clock in the afternoon on Saturday. And then right above that, just north of that, a winter storm watch in effect for that area until 8 o'clock on Monday. And then we'll go ahead and scoot over here. Just east of that, we've got one winter storm watch that's in effect until 8 o'clock in the morning on Monday. And then farther towards the east, there is a winter storm watch in effect until 8 o'clock p.m. on Sunday. And then more winter weather advisories way up to the west up there. I'm not sure what area that is, but I will look that up and bring up the cities in that. I don't have everything fully set up here. But just north of that further, I'll have to point to it and show you. Let me see. Let me back up for a minute. Okay, so we have the winter storm watches in blue right here that are all issued. And I've already gone over the times and everything. And then we have a high wind warning that's in effect until 2 p.m. on Saturday. That's in yellow right there. Winter storm watch is all in blue. And then farther towards the north on this side, winter weather advisories in effect until 2 a.m. on Sunday. So it does appear that winter weather is finally setting up in the Midwest. So things are going to get quite interesting around here. So we're going to let you know how wild and crazy it's going to be for our winter season. Please continue to stay tuned for that. I'll have complete coverage on the winter weather season and all winter weather storm warnings, watches, advisories, any kind of advisories, warnings, and watches. I will be telling you all of winter weather advisories, winter storm warnings, winter weather advisories, and also all of the advisories, warnings for all severe weather intake. So that would also include generally all severe weather altogether. And that does include flood warnings, flood advisories and all that, and flood warnings, watches, that kind of thing. So I'll continue to keep you up to date on what's going on, a lot of coverage going on, not a lot of precipitation going on at this current time, but I'll be monitoring this for the next 48 hours. So please stay tuned with me and I'll keep you posted on all of this action across the Midwest. As I can see that winter is beginning to set up in the Midwest, that's going to be quite interesting, and I'll let you know how interesting it is in just a little bit. I'll let you know when all this stuff is going to come together, and I'll keep you posted. Stay tuned. I've got more on our extended forecast and what's ahead for Southeast Michigan, and I will be monitoring the winter weather as well and the storm that's setting up down there. Further towards the south, way down in the south, also there's severe weather brewing down there. There is some severe weather watch down there. I'll have to check that out, and I'll have updates on that as well. So a lot going on right now that's setting up. So winter storm watches are in the mix right now. They will be active on the days that I have said. So make sure that you're prepared for winter, and I'll let you know how much snow that those areas are going to see. And we'll talk about how much snow and all of that for the winter weather advisory. Winter weather advisory means that you can see snow, rain, mix, sleet, and ice. We'll talk about all of the ingredients and we'll talk about everything that's going to be coming together. Sounds like it might be a busy one. We'll have more coverage and much more the moment that I get it or the moment that I start seeing development. I will bring it to you right away. This is Eric Tallman. We'll see you in a little bit. Thank you for joining me for this update, this winter update, and active severe weather in the South. Stay tuned. I'll have more coverage in an hour. We'll see you again at 6:30, 7 o'clock. Thank you.